Let's go!
Hey, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Hey, tell me something. Does all this technology we have these days that's supposed to make everyone feel more connected, does it ever just make you feel totally disconnected sometimes? It certainly does for me. That's why some of the appeal to this place for me is the history of it. When this thing was a thing back in the day, it was before anyone had cell phones, and there were just some signs at the bottom of the driveway advertising some cabin rentals and fruit trees for sale and so on and so forth. And this lovely sign right here, there was a gong hanging from this anchor that people would ring, let someone know they were here to rent a cabin or buy some fruit. It's lovely to think about. I often feel like I was born in the wrong era. Anyways, it's a weekend. I like to take it easy on the weekends, so I'm gonna go down to one of my favorite spots in the neighborhood, a little waterfall swimming hole type deal. And tomorrow, back cracking at the work. So, hope you enjoy. So most people that come here have to pay for parking. There's a little spot where you can buy some food. But there's a gate right here stopping any traffic from going any further. This family that has rights to this entrance, they sell parking to come visit this swimming hole. You see the parking lot right here. And but I got VIP access, which is cool.
¿Todo bien?
Siempre. Gracias, papi. ¿Quieres fruta? Tengo mucha fruta. Aguacate, santo, carambola. ¿Sí? ¿Y lleva? Cuando yo regreso. Gracias, papi. Well, I've never seen any other cars up here. We're gonna pull right through here, see if I can fit. Okay, well, that works just as good. Huh, I'm not sure why he let other cars up here. Especially if they're not gonna go all the way to the parking lot and just block the road. But this is where we're going. Of course I can't get any view from it up here. It's a waterfall with multiple parts to swim at. That's all it is. Yeah, let's go check it out. Actually, I'm gonna change real quick, and then I'll meet you down there. So normally I don't come here on the weekend because it's usually pretty packed on the weekends, but the parking lot didn't look too full, so figured we could come splash around for a bit. And I was just kidding when I said I had VIP. Well, it makes me feel VIP, but I live in the neighborhood, and the guy that runs that parking lot knows it. So for me, and I come here quite often, so for me to pay to park every single time. Also, they don't like cars coming back here because, oh well, that's why the cars didn't keep going. Nice little mud pit, and the road after the parking lot is just terrible. So unless you've got 4x4, it typically doesn't let anyone come. I'm assuming those two cars are family or something. But not only am I part of the neighborhood and have a 4x4 that makes it safer for me to come up here, or down here rather, I also collect a lot of trash when I leave and take it from down here to up there where they collect the trash. So I'm actually going to turn this video down because, or I'm going to stop recording because I feel weird walking up on a group of people with a gimbal and a phone. So I'm going to set this back up down there. So I was wrong when I said there weren't a lot of people here. Actually, quite a few people enjoying the water, enjoying this beautiful day. I'm gonna take a quick dip and head back up the mountain, but see if I can't get a shot of it. Down there, there's a rock with a bunch of old ancient petroglyphs, and then right around here somewhere there's a really cool cave that you can get behind a waterfall. Super sick. And if you keep going up higher, there's just a bunch of stuff to explore. This spot is super sick. I'm gonna come back. Anything that I don't go into super detail about in any particular video is because I'm gonna come back to it. So I just wanted to come down here and take a quick dip, and I'll come back with a GoPro that I can get wet. Whew. Aguacate, mango, santo, similar de canepas.
¿Canepa?
Sí, en el medio.
Ajá. Una bolita.
Sí. Llevo todo. Sí. Y esos. Abrimos.
¿La finca tuya?
Sí, todo orgánico. Those don't look so good.
¿Quieres refresco? ¿Quieres agua?
Sí, favor.
¿Qué quieres?
Agua.
Agua.
Sí.
What's up, papi?
Gracias, papi.
Bien, brother. Bien, gracias a ti.
my wet butt. Well, that's all I've got for today. I hope you've enjoyed, and hope you have a stellar day yourself. Peace.